So when they rushed me to the theater, there everything went well. They scissored me, they picked the babies, they did everything okay. But from nowhere now my pressure just got high. Then they took me to the blood pressure room.
Most of the complications that occurs in obstetrics complications, they come so abrupt. And this complication needs preparedness, needs you to identify who are the risk mothers. And when you identify these risk mothers, gets you prepared.
I would have died because that time even the hospital was too full, there's no bed. I don't know where they were going to take me. But there was another emergency room.
With the HDU, which High Dependency Unit, which has been brought on board, I think it is even going to improve so much, because I see since September we have so far admitted 15 patients in that department, and all got out well.